You're trying to get your ads to convert. You're trying to get traffic. You're trying to get people to stop scrolling and look at your stuff. You're trying to get your landing pages to convert sales, and you're trying to make money, period. You're in the marketplace. You are a marketer. Um, you have to be not just outrageous, and you don't always have to be outrageous. There's different things you can be instead of outrageous, right? Like I'm a lot less outrageous with my marketing than I was when I was younger and I was wearing a wig and sunglasses, drinking beers on webinars. Okay, I don't do that anymore. But in its place, I have put like a super high level of really intelligent things to say, things that other people, insight kind of can replace that. But forget that. Your marketing has got to be different. What you are saying and what you're offering, it has to be different than everything else out there. So as a rule of thumb, if the market zigs, you zag. If the market goes right, you go left. If the market is charging $0 for a product X, then you are charging $997, $1997, $15,000 for X. If the market is charging $997, $1997, whatever I just said, $15,000, then you zag. It zigs with high ticket, you go to low ticket, free trials, whatever the heck. That's what I've always done. I've been doing this since 2007. That is a lot of years. And I can promise you ask anybody who knows me, and that's the whole marketplace, anybody that's been anybody that's not a teenager, they will tell you that I have always been the exact opposite of whatever anybody else was. When we launched our first CRM, the market was charging $3,000. We charged $997. And then the next time we launched it, we were free. And then when the market went to free, we went to high ticket. You always got to be pretty much the exact opposite of everybody else when it comes to offers. And then when it comes to your design and what you look like, you got to be different. Although brand differentiation, that is changing a little bit thanks to Amazon. Everything's kind of unifying, and in a certain sense, it's good to look the same because everybody feels comfortable with that. But then in a certain sense, when people are scrolling and you want them to stop on your thing and pay attention to you, you can't look like everybody else. You can't have the same stupid freaking captions, pop, and things, pictures popping up all over the place. Everybody has that. Why would you want to do the exact same thing that everybody else is doing? Why would you do that? Just think about it logically. For somebody to stop and look at you, you have to be different. I feel like I'm having a severe allergy to sameness. I feel a very strong desire. I am compelled to be different. I have to be different because I have to get your attention. So just like some examples, and these are not outrageous things, they're just differentiation, right? Look at my reels compared to everybody else's reels. Okay, this moves. This isn't a freaking green screen. Okay, so that's a different subject though. Why I have this is like validation without saying, coming out different reel. We'll talk about the skyscrapers in a different reel. Everybody has vertical reels, mine are horizontal. Everybody's got black backgrounds. Look at the background to this reel. It's white. Everybody has whatever that other font is. My font is like New York Times, but that kind of mixes with my newsletter business. Stuff like that. I'm trying to think of some other examples. But they're really minor things. But it's just things that make you pop, right? That make you different from everybody else. Because if people wanted everybody else, then like they're probably not going to pick you. They're going to pick the best. And you don't want to be competing with freaking Fortune 500 companies or people with 3 million freaking followers. You have to stand out. Be different. Be unique. Get creative. Use your mind. Don't just blindly freaking like an automaton, like just, well, he's doing let's do this. Just think it through. Be a thinker. Be a deep thinker. That's it. Be different.